Here I've got LG V40 ThinQ, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings, then go to the General, pick Apps and Notifications, and click on Special Access. And here you have to click on Install Unknown Apps. And from this mode you can give permission to some particular app. For example, you can allow from Gmail, then from Facebook, Instagram, or whichever application you would like to give this permission to. So smoothly open particular application and then click on this switcher to allow from this source. So actually that would be all. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources in your LG V40. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.